Hi, this is Jeff the Drinking Buddy, and today we're going to be making whiskey sours. For a whiskey sour, you need 3 ingredients. You have whiskey, you have lemon juice, and you have simple syrup. These lemons are already peeled because I just started making limoncello, an Italian liqueur. That video will be coming out in a couple months, but for now, I have peeled lemons that I want to use the juice. That's why we're making whiskey sours today. The first thing you want to do is juice the lemons. So you need about an ounce of lemon juice. 1 lemon usually does that unless it's a skinny, dried out lemon. Once you juice your lemon, you want to take your cocktail shaker and put some ice in it. Probably 3 cubes will do for 1 drink. I have 3 whiskeys out here that are 3 different price levels. Weller, not expensive but very hard to find here in Virginia, is one of my favorite whiskeys. And then you have a Knob Creek Rye, which you could make this with. Evan Williams, especially the black one, is very inexpensive, coming in under $20 for a liter in Virginia. For this drink, I would go with Evan Williams. I'm gonna start with 2 ounces of whiskey. And then 1 ounce of your fresh lemon juice. And 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup. I made this myself. You can buy this in the store. It's not really a quality thing, it's just really, really inexpensive to make. Let me know if you're interested in making this and I should do a video on making simple syrup. After you get all 3 ingredients in, give it a good shake. The shaker's actually frosting up, making your drink very nice and cold. I don't even have a glass out here because my cocktail glass is right now in the freezer. I'm gonna go get that. For garnish, I like to use cocktail cherries. These are technically maraschino cherries, but they're not the sweet kind that we grew up with on top of our chocolate sundaes. These are called Bada Bing. They're very good. One of the brands that you can find in a local grocery store. Just drop one of those in there. Now let me give that a sip. Very good. You can taste the whiskey, but the sweet and the lemon are perfectly balanced. I think you'll love this drink. I'm Jeff the Drinking Buddy, but I'm not your drinking buddy. So whether you're having fresh lemonade or shooting tequila shots or something in between, like this wonderful whiskey sour, call your buddy up. He needs to hear from you. Have him over tonight, make him a whiskey sour. Cheers. I'm Jeff the cocktail.
Nope, drinking.
Why do I say that all the time?
I don't know. That's a close out.
I'm Jeff the cocktail buddy, and we have people in the background.
And we have 6 people in our family.
I'm Jeff the cocktail buddy.
No! Are you kidding me?
What?
You said cocktail buddy again.
Yeah.
You just stuck your tongue out at me like a 2-year-old.
That's good.
Whew, that is good.
Whoa.